The earliest foundation of this remarkable church of St. Mary the Virgin in Aldermanbury dates to the 12th century, when the early records in London reveal a church on the location of Aldermanbury and Love Lanes. That church, alas, was destroyed by fire in the Great Fire of London in 1666 before Christopher Wren rebuilt it as we know it today. However, one fragment from that historic medieval church still survives. The spiral staircase that once led down into the crypt of the historic church was repurposed here in our reconstruction to go up into the bell tower. So while we have a wonderful 17th century church, we have a stairwell that's much, much older. Join us on May 3rd through 5th of this year when we celebrate 50 years in Fulton, the rehallowing of St. Mary the Virgin Aldermanbury here at Westminster College and the establishment of America's National Churchill Museum. Hope to see you there.